ETH Classic, right? ETH Classic was the big winner today. Huge gains. Um, ETH Classic outperformed Ethereum, right? Look at this volume coming in, and it outperformed Bitcoin. Look at this. This already 1, 2, 3. There's a fourth day today. Huge gains, backed up with volume. So here's ETH Classic today. Look at this huge volume candles. I have the indicator right here. We have 75K, 74, right? In this time here, right, we have 2.3 million buyers since July 13th. So that is a huge, huge breakout. Here's ETH. ETH doesn't have that volume like Ethereum Classic did. Here's another Ethereum chart, right? We don't see that huge volume that it did. Here's from the 13th into now. We got 1.4 million. So Ethereum actually outperformed Ethereum. Ethereum Classic outperformed ETH. Let me check on this chart. This one is from the 13th to now. This less, right, on this trading site. So, I mean, we're getting huge volume. And let's not forget that the Fed has a meeting on the 26th. So, we're going to get more rate hikes, right? If we get 1 percentage point, I think the market has already priced that in. Anything less than 1%, right? Like a 75 or a half percent, the market's going to go crazy for that. Right? There's no breakouts in the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq. Here's the futures Dow. There's a SPY. Here's a futures SPY. So there's no breakouts yet in the regular market, right? And in Bitcoin, we haven't really had no breakout in Bitcoin. You know, it flipped this area right here. So that's something of a start, right? That's a good start. I still believe that the dollar topped at our yellow line right here. Right, I showed you guys that it entered this pattern on in 2003, and then we have our first touch to the line right here, 2004. Right, we came down in 2008, again in 2011. Right, this is 2017, and now we touched it here in 2022. So that's huge for the dollar. It's going to be huge for crypto if we get a breakdown from this point. Now, Ethereum. I thought we were going to come to this line and get rejected, right? Which it kind of wicked down to this point. We're still above it. So I was looking to get rejected here and then have Bitcoin dominance run up, right? Make some room. Make some room for it to fall because it's way oversold down here. And look at this, it's coming back, it's holding this line now. So there's big news came out for Ethereum, right? A rumor saying that they're going to do a new update to Ethereum and they're going to release it. But you see how ETH Classic, right? Here's ETH Classic versus Ethereum. Look at this, outperformed it. Versus Bitcoin, outperformed it. ETH Classic outperformed the market. So very exciting. And that's about it, right? We have the Fed meeting on the 27th. We can get something like a breakout and then a comeback and a retest with that Fed news, and then off to the races, right? But we'll see. We won't hold our breaths. So there's exciting things happening. The total crypto market cap hit 1 trillion, right? 1.02, but we couldn't close above it. So I think this is a good mental area, right? That $1 trillion mark. Right here. That $1 trillion mark, if we could get back above it and then hold this area, that would be huge. That would be huge for the market, right? Um, on the weekly, we're about to get across, right? Maybe on Sunday. So let's see what happens. But besides that, um, a lot of things look good, and we're just gonna let's see what happens, right? Let's take it day by day, day by day. I think that's it. The euro. The euro had a bounce, right? We almost came to the 786, and we have a good wick here, so that is good. Um, and we're just waiting for the dollar to give us confirmation and break our parallel channel, right? If we come here and we break this, our parabolic curve, I think we're good to go, right? But besides that, we're waiting for the Fed meeting on the 27th. This is when they'll release the data of what they're going to do. And if it's 1 percentage point, I think the market's priced that in. If it's less, the market's going to go crazy. So let's see what happens.